Arohi Events is back with a July Trinkets show, all happening at Almira Gallery only for 2 days. Collection में क्या क्या है उनके पास? They have a lovely collection of jewelry, something in bandhej with abhas. They have some chaniya choli. They also have some more chaniya choli. I think brands have come up from Rajkot and they have festive wear. We have some beautiful jewelry as well. And if you want to check out the collection, you know what you have to do. Swipe left. So if you also want to carry this beautiful attire that ma'am is wearing, look at the colors on the blouse, the skirt, it's amazing. Hello ma'am.
Hello. So we have dresses and chaniya choli for kids.
Okay.
Some gamthi blouses.
Okay. This is brand Urban Threads. They are here all the way from Rajkot with
We
their
have
lovely
Lampo
collection.
circle chaniya choli too.
Okay. Lovely.
We have cotton and vintage chaniya choli too.
Lovely. Just look at that. They have some amazing collection. इनके पास बच्चों के लिए भी चनिया चोली है. You can even pair with mother daughter, so you can do the twinning as well. Lovely. Just look at the colors that they have.
We have mother daughter for ombre dresses.
Okay. Lovely. So you can twin with your daughters this Navratri.
And we have multicolors dupatta too.
Next up we have brand Vyara. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Please tell us about your collection.
Yes, so here we have some beautiful bridal and bridesmaids lehengas.
Okay.
We also have some beautiful trousseau pieces which can be given for the bridal trousseau as well.
Alright, look at that. For trousseau you can use it. You can use it for Rakhi as well.
Yes, we have some short cute tops for Rakhi which are very pre-festive.
Okay.
This is a beautiful one piece here with beautiful detailing here.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And also some soft chanderi tops.
Pieces. Okay. These are very versatile. You can wear them with pants.
Yes.
You can wear them for festivities.
This is like a kurta which can also be worn as a dress.
Okay.
Some smart casual tops. It's a
Okay.
crepe top. You can just pair it up with jeans or
Alright.
anyhow. A beautiful cord set.
Lovely. Hello ma'am.
So this is Meghna here from Arohi Gems and Jewelry, and we are going to show you more of today for the fusion and Afghani jewelry.
Look at that.
We have nice antique Afghani jewelry,
Okay.
earrings, statement earrings.
Alright.
Then these are silver look-like earrings,
Okay.
designer earrings.
Very pretty.
Then these are few Afghani antique Afghani chokers,
Okay.
statement pieces. These are
Very
some
beautiful.
newly Afghani jewelry.
Okay.
The chokers, the small ones. Then we have some designer long ones too.
Okay.
See, these are very small and nice for some small girls.
Okay.
Then this is all silver look like.
All silver look-alike है इनके पास. Just
See.
look at the collection. Very pretty. So this is in continuation to Arohi Gems. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, so this we have a fusion jewelry.
Okay. Look at that piece.
This can go on any outfits.
Okay.
These are all fusion and Indian also.
Lovely. Look at that. So fusion and Indian.
You can,
दोनों
it's
मिल
very good
जाएगा.
for gifting also. Like this, the range is like 2600, 1500. Some are with earrings. These are 24 karat gold plating, American diamond jewelry, bracelets, bangles, only earrings, only bracelets.
bracelets.
These are only judas and mangtikas and are serving spoons.
And they also have serving spoons as well. Look
And
at that.
this we have the fusion jewelry.
Look at that. Very pretty. So if you're looking for something so pretty, just look at what ma'am is wearing. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, my name is Bhavita and this
Okay.
is my brand Shyama,
Okay.
and we are here with some chanya cholis.
Wow.
This is all handmade, handwork. We have color option for this.
Lovely. Okay.
If you want something in Georgette, Then we also have this kind of collection.
Okay. If you want something in Georgette, they have a lovely collection.
Yes.
Wow.
One she's wearing. You
Look
can
at
look.
her. Very pretty. Okay. Something in this.
Something in cotton.
We have a
cotton
lot
base.
of collection in cotton as well.
Yeah.
Wow. For all the black lovers out there. Look at that. I think they have something for everyone's
Yes.
choice. Look at that.
If you want something
combination.
traditional, then we have this one.
So if you're looking for something unique, just look at those shell earrings. We are at the right place. Hello.
Hi, we are from Zaira.
Okay.
And we have beautiful anti-tarnish jewelry,
Alright.
which is perfect for the gifting season. We have beautiful earrings, bracelets if you like. We have some unique pieces here.
Okay. They have a lot of collection of beautiful, unique earrings. So if you want them, you'll have to come to Almira Gallery. Yes, tell us more.
And we have necklaces,
Okay.
rings, and statement pieces that we all love.
Okay. Look at the statement pieces. I think I personally love all of them.
These are perfect for Raksha Bandhan, for gifting and for wearing. So we hope you would come and see us.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Tell us about your brand.
So our brand name is Kashida Couture. It's by Ashix Shruti, and we have resort wear collection.
Look at that.
Then different prints in that.
Okay. Very breezy, very light.
We do have a kurta also in one of those prints.
Okay.
Then we have festive wear also.
Okay. They have festival also. Something different if you're looking for this festive season. You can come to Almira Gallery.
This is real Zardosi work.
Okay. Lovely. Bright color.
And then we also have blazer and pants.
Okay.
This is pure Kashida work.
Alright. Okay. And they have a lot of options here. as you
And
can
we also have
So this is brand 9 Peonies and they have come up with lovely bandage collection. इनके पास दुपट्टास हैं, साड़ीज हैं और क्या क्या है मैम?
लहंगास है,
Okay.
साड़ीज है, दुपट्टास,
Okay,
शिवोरीज।
let's see. Alright.
आपको कलेक्शन दिखाती हूँ।
हाँ जी.
इस दुपट्टास।
Look at that. Very versatile. You can gift these. You can, use these for Navratri.
नवरात्रि and marriage functions, engagements,
Right.
all
Okay.
types of. This is
Look at
bridal
that.
दुपट्टा,
It's a bridal dupatta. Beautiful red combination.
पटोला दुपट्टा,
पटोला दुपट्टा भी है इनके पास.
ये आभा है।
आभास
Best
में
selling
भी.
है।
Okay.
It's like
उन्होंने
this.
भी एक पहना है. Look at the collection. Lovely. Wow. Beautiful. Okay. Lovely.
Mirror work with thread work.